Today's topic is staffing as a part of human resource management. Managing the human resources is the most important function in an organization because it is on their performance that the success of an organization depends. Managing the human resource. Second point, human resource management is an important function of management because which is concerned with managing and developing the human resources of an organization in terms of their knowledge, skills, talents, attitudes, and capabilities. It involves determining the manpower requirements of an organization, recruiting and selecting the best available employees, developing and motivating them. It also acts as a link with unions and government organizations in handling matters related to the welfare of the employees. So we can define human resource management. Human resource management is the recruitment, selection, development, utilization, compensation, and motivation of human resources of the organization. Evolution of human resource management. HRM or human resource management is a separate and specialized function which all managers need to perform. It is that branch of management which is concerned with the recruitment, selection, development, and best use of employees. Thus, HRM or the human resource management ensures that every employee makes his maximum contribution to the achievement of organizational goals. The human resource management that we find today is a result of a number of significant interrelated developments since the era of industrial revolution. With the emergence of trade union movements, a need for a person who could act as an important link between management and workers was strongly felt. Such a role was initially performed by labor welfare officer, confined only to the welfare activities of the employees. With the passage of time, factory system was introduced. Thousands of persons were employed under one roof. The need for employing more and more employees had arisen, and the role for filling and giving people for the organization was given to a person known as personnel officer. His main function was to recruit, select, and place the employees. As time went by, fast changing technological development necessitates new skill development and training to existing and new employees. Human relations approach recognized people as the most valuable source in any organization. People as the most valuable source in any organization. The traditional concept of labor welfare and personal management had to be replaced with the HRM. Presently, all these aspects, namely recruitment, selection, placement, and labor welfare, etc., are concern of HRM. Keeping the foregoing in view, it can be concluded that now human resource management has replaced the traditional concept of labor welfare and personal management. And what are the main functions of HRM or the human resource management? First point, determining the number and types of employees. Types of employees required. Secondly, RSP, recruitment, selection and placement. Thirdly, providing training to the employees for improving their performance and career growth. Performance appraisals and motivating the employees for improving by providing both financial and non-financial incentives, ensuring social security for employees and handling their grievances, defending enterprises from legal complications. Eighth point, establishing amicable relations between union and management. Amicable relations between union and management. What are the functions of HRM? Assignment, functions of HRM, evolution of HRM, and staffing as a part of HRM. Okay. In any enterprise, All managerial functions are performed by individuals. No enterprise can function and achieve its objectives in the absence of efficient and competent employees. Committed, honest, determined, and loyal employees are required not only for the growth but also for the survival of the organization. Therefore, human resource is considered as the most valuable resource of an enterprise. Staffing is also considered as a distinct functional area of management, just as marketing management and financial management. Success of employees depends upon the quality and stability of the jobs for which they are appointed. Ensuring same is an important role played by the HRM and it's a department. Therefore, staffing is referred to as both a line as well as a staff activity. That is an essential function management as well as a distinct functional area of management. Okay. Thank you.